Okay, here's my final project. It is a DIY hardshell rooftop tent, like the clamshell design. I'll do a quick video of it opening. I've spent probably the past 4 weekends or so working on this. Nothing too crazy. It's lifted up by some gas struts. Once it starts to get air in there, it goes up pretty easily. And there's a bungee you can see. When it's closed, it just holds all the material in, so it doesn't, so it just folds in more nicely. The bungee comes down around the corners of the box and the tent. I'll back up here and do a shot of it all the way up. And the side, I'll do a quick walk around and just show a little bit of detail. These little clasps keep it open, keep it closed, just from Amazon. The tent material is like a 600 denier waterproof canvas. Pretty easy to work with. So far looks pretty waterproof. A little bit of aluminum trim that connects the tent material to the outside of the bottom of the base. That was the easiest way I could think of doing it. To keep it waterproof, when water runs down the side, you don't want it getting in the inside of the box, so I figured the easiest way to do it, tent material on the outside on the bottom, and it's connected on the inside on the top. Here's the bungee that holds it together when it's closed, that holds the tent material in. Some 36-inch gas struts, ordered on Amazon. I think they're 33 pounds of force each. Those are kind of tricky to mount and definitely took me a couple tries. The roof is made of coroplast. It's like corrugated plastic, kind of translucent, which I thought was cool. Around the edges is Gorilla Tape, and then cabinet screws in between the 1x3 and the coroplast is a 1/8 inch thick piece of insulating foam insulation tape. It's got a sticky on one side. Up front is the main hinge. It's called a continuous living hinge. It's basically just a plastic hinge versus a traditional steel piano hinge, which has all the holes. I thought this would be more waterproof. And they're supposed to be good for, thousands of opening and closing, so I think it's plenty durable for my application. Do a quick walk around to the other side. Everything's the same. Gas strut on that side, connected with aluminum to the bottom. The front is connected at the base. I sewed in these magnets which connect to this piece of steel that I screwed on. Pretty good connection. I think that should work. And then on each side is a zipper that goes all the way from the bottom to the top. And the way I did the zippers has a decent amount of overlap of the canvas because the zipper itself isn't waterproof, just a plastic. I think it's a number 10 zipper. I got them in 60 inches long, 2 of them. So I'm thinking with the way it's folded over, it should be decently waterproof. So the whole front opens up. And here's the inside. So some cross supports. The coroplast is attached to those. Inside, I'd say I think it's 46.5 inches wide and then just under 7 feet long. So I have these 3-inch foam cushions, which I made the covers for the back piece and the side piece with some of the extra tent material. And then this one, I think came from Home Depot. They sell these like just a canvas cushion cover. So hopefully pretty comfortable. I think it should be pretty watertight. I used some other cabinet style screws to connect the top of the tent to the inside. Some zipper pulls. Nothing fancy, nothing too complicated here. My woodworking skills and sewing skills are pretty basic, so yeah, I just wanted to do a video showing the project, give people some ideas, and just helping people with their projects as well. So hit me up if you have any questions. Thanks.